hang up that computer call, come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantic.
Well, time for bed. Wait, just in case there's any monsters down there,